My kid destroyed his car. I got some metal parts for it. Just gonna swap them out really quick. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and if you like the video, leave a thumbs up. This is the, I guess the wltoys 14001. Pretty popular 4-wheel drive, 1/12 scale RC buggy. Goes like a bat out of hell. Pretty durable, but it's really nice that you can get machined aluminum parts for it. As you can tell, the right steering knuckle broke, and the part is right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and replace the whole front end because I have all the bits for it in this nice blue anodized aluminum. So probably need to begin by just disassembling all this in general. So I do not have all the parts to do this, to replace the A-arms. So I'm not going to replace the A-arms. I'm going to replace the broken parts. So to get this dowel out, I have to use a pin, push it out the hole, and pull it out the rest of the way. Like that. So I finished the steering knuckles on both sides, and then I realized that the screw holding the, I guess the right A-arm was bent way out of shape. So I couldn't really fix the rest of it until I got this part right here. This little metal bracket that goes across. And I got it for the back and the front. I have all the metal parts to do the back, it's just I haven't yet. I've only completed the front, and the metal parts went in like a song, and they're great. When I did that, the springs, the shocks were also, I think one of them was completely blown out, just the gasket, got some grit in it. And so I, refilled the shocks, and now it's looking pretty good. It's tempting to get the blue anodized parts. They have blue anodized parts to replace all this plastic stuff with nice aluminum. But yeah, this will work for now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Like the video if you liked it. It really helps with the algorithm. Thanks a bunch.